Hello all, just doing a real quick video. I made some hamburger helper and I had leftover cheese. Now don't let the cheese fool you. I'll let you see what the video, I'll hopefully post it on here so you can see what video I'm talking about. But for this right here, what was kind of cool about it is I had leftover cheese. So, and it's not enough cheese that I can make another meal out of it. So I thought, you know what, at night, sometimes we snack and the little ones want something, so this would be nice so they can easily grab some chips, or if they're making a ramen they can add it with it. And it's really cool because it looks like just this nacho cheese, but it has a lot of good stuff in it. Like this, what you're looking at, this has ground beef in it, 90%, and then it also has not kale, but it has spinach in it, it has cabbage in it, and it has collard in it. I mixed it up and I used the powder to make it because I like to sneak in stuff. The company's sneaking bad stuff. Why can't we sneak in good stuff? So anyway, they'll be eating nachos, but they'll be eating nachos with a lot of good things as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bag it on up. That's why I have bags here. I'm just going to bag it on up, and then I'm going to have some chips bagged up so that at any time the kids can be able to have a quick snack and they can eat nachos. Or they can put it with their ramen, or they can put it in a sandwich and kind of make it an open face hamburger helper melt. I don't know, I'm winging it. But they can use it. There's a sauce right here. I'm just going to make little portions so that anyone can be able in the house can be able to just grab a packet and they can put it on some crackers, or they can put it on some nacho chips, or put it on some bread, or they can put more milk in it and make kind of a soup out of it, kind of. It's versatile. You can do whatever you want. Anyway, I just want it to be available so that people in the family can easily grab it and use it. So here they are. Pretty nice. I have 11 packets here. So all we have to do is just either bite off the tip or cut it, and then we can spread it on our nachos, put it on some bread, or you can just eat it as is. So anyway, this is just really nice. This is cool. So I have this left over, so I'm going to keep this inside of the refrigerator, and we have boats. We don't use plates, so that they can easily grab it and we don't have to wash. So this is really, really nice. And then right here, if you don't have this right here, you can use your twist ties to do it, or you can tie it in a knot. Whichever way is convenient, you know what I'm saying? Just pretty neat. So this right here is leftover macaroni mix, or hamburger helper mix, but this works great because it's basically nachos. Oh, and one thing I forgot to tell you guys too, I also had some zucchini that's put in it that I chopped up thinly and I put in here as well. So anyway, this is just a quick snack for the family, or it can actually be a meal, because if you put some toast and toast it and then you smother this over it, that's like a meal there in itself. Or take a hamburger bread and put in the toaster, toast it. This is a meal. But this, I'm going to use it as a quick snack, so I'm going to have it in the refrigerator in a bag. I'm going to let the little ones and the adults know about it, and we can all just snack on it and grab it. And it's also cool, remember again, you should be eating ramen, but if you are eating ramen, you can put some of this in there too. That'll taste it. Giddy. So anyway, whatever else you decide that you can do with it, let us know, because ideas are great. Let's share. Let's keep praying for each other, loving each other, and know that God's going to work out everything, and just keep praying for the best. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.